Hello everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I'm going to talk about social puppets. So these are the puppets that look like children. Yeah, so they have um, appearance of children. So I use them successfully to promote speech and language development. So these puppets are talking puppets. So you can introduce some key words that you want children to use, expressions, manners, etc., etc. You also can enhance social well-being through these puppets and explore feelings. For example, one puppet feels sad, the other puppet is laughing at this puppet. You also can promote appropriate social interactions. Hello, and this puppet doesn't say hello back. Hi, I want to play with you. And this puppet doesn't respond. So also it helps to promote conflict resolution and role play any situations where negotiation is required, where you need to develop turn taking skills, and where you need to share. Sharing is the last thing we tackle with these puppets. However, it's quite a common conflict among preschoolers. So whatever skill you're going to focus on, for example, empathy, turn taking, interactions, it requires some role playing. And I found with my group of children that these puppets are the best. Social puppets, try to get one online.